Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new video. Today's video is going to be me sharing the details on this hair. If you watch my previous video, I'm showing you guys how the process of my hairstylist was installing the wig on my head. So today I'm actually going to be giving you the details of the hair because a lot of you guys have been asking me questions on the hair and all of those things. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and sit down and just give them all the details on the hair. Okay, also, if you have not watched my previous video where I'm getting my wig installed in my big old head, I'm going to leave the link in the description box so you guys can tune in. Okay, so if you want to just find out the details on this hair, just keep on watching. All right, so I got this hair I think about 2 months ago, and I got it from UNice hair. If you haven't heard about UNice hair is a very known company. They are very affordable as well, and so I do like their products. Well, actually, this is my second time that I get hair from them, and so far so good. The length of this hair is, I got me 4 bundles and a lace closure that came all together. So I have 18, 20, 22, and 24, and if you guys can see, the hair is pretty long. I play too much. So yes, the hair is that long, and the closure, if you guys can see, it looks really good as well. Also, I just gotta give a big old shout out to, oh, my hair crazy. I gotta give a shout out to my hairstylist Fungi, because she's the best, and every time that I just need her to slay my hair, she got me. She slayed my hair for my birthday weekend, and listen, I was looking flawless. Okay, getting back to the hair. So this is UNice, and it's body wave. It's not straight, so it's body wave, loose body wave. That's the kind of hair that I got. However, I feel like it's so easy for me to just flat iron the hair. I don't have any issues when I'm flat iron it. So when you flat iron it, it doesn't look, I haven't got it like bone straight yet, because I just don't have the patience for it. So I just go ahead and flat iron it like regular, but to me it looks okay, so I just keep it going. However, I feel like if you do try to get it bone straight, you will be able to, because the hair is very easy to manage. Also, excuse me. Also, I know my hairstylist, she was able to, what is it called? What's the term for this hair stuff? She basically sealed the wefts. Okay, I'm sorry. I gotta think about these terms because I don't know about hair like that. So she sealed the wefts so that way the hair wouldn't shed so much. I don't really have like a lot of problem with the shedding. Sometimes it do sheds, like just about the regular, like normal. It's not like nothing crazy, because trust me, if this hair will be shedding a lot, I will be going crazy. But I don't have any problems with that, so that's a good thing. And the whole bundle, the entire bundle, was very affordable. That's why I like UNice, because it's very affordable. I spent $210 for everything, including shipping, so that was really good. And you know, if you're looking for something affordable, good, you know, long, because if you like long hair, then I would definitely recommend you to, you know, to just check them out and just get some UNice hair. By the way, this video is not being sponsored, so everything that I'm telling you is because I like it. I genuinely feel this way about the hair. I wouldn't be sitting up here talking to you guys about it if I didn't like it at all. So, you know, this is genuine. I'm not being sponsored for it. I'm not getting paid to talk about UNice. But yeah, I think that's basically it, you guys. If you guys have any questions, y'all can let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye.